How much should I charge for my work? This is the most common question I get. And in this video, I am going to help you answer it. When deciding your pricing, there are 4 key factors to consider. The last one is the most important and all the factors are interconnected. So watch this video till the end to get the full picture. Out of those 4 factors, the first one is work. You need to understand the scope of the project. What tasks are involved? What's included in the project and what's not? Are revisions required? If yes, how many? What's the timeline? Does it require extra time or efforts? Why is this important? Imagine the project is more complex than you thought, takes more time or has endless revisions. If you are already committed to a low price, you are stuck. You will end up doing extra work for free. Also, if the client needs the work done urgently and it requires more efforts, you can and should charge more. The second factor is you, your skills, your experience and the value you provide. What's your skill level? How much experience do you have? How much value you can deliver to the client? If you are starting out and you lack experience, charging a very high amount like 1 lakh rupees for a logo won't make any sense if you are not adding enough value. But if your skills are polished, you solve client's problem effectively and you provide real value, you can confidently charge more and client will be happy to pay. For example, if you work faster and deliver better quality than others, charge more. If clients trust you because you are professional and reliable, charge more. If your experience allows you to solve problems efficiently, charge more. Remember, you are not just doing the job, you are doing it better, and that's worth more. The third factor to consider is your competitors. What are they charging for similar work? Here's how to approach it. Research the market rate for the services you offer. Look at the competitors with similar skills and experience. Compare the value they provide versus what you bring to the table. But here's the catch. Don't blindly copy their prices. If you deliver better quality, work faster, or offer more value, you can confidently charge higher than your competitors. On the other hand, if you are still learning or building your portfolio, it might make sense to start with a competitive price to attract clients. For example, if other designers charges 10,000 rupees for a logo, but you can create one that's more attractive, aligned with the brand and completed in half the time, you can charge 15,000 rupees or more. Don't compete on price, compete on value. People pay more for exceptional results and reliability. The fourth factor and the most important factor is how you charge, your pricing model. This can make huge difference in how clients perceive your value and how much you earn. Here are the most common pricing models. The first way to charge your work is through fixed fee pricing. This is where you set a flat fee for the entire project. Simple and straightforward. Now, the main question arises, how do you decide the amount? Start by breaking down the project. Ask yourself, how much time will it take? What skills are required? Are there additional things like revision or tight deadlines that might increase the workload? For example, if you are designing a website, think about the efforts needed. If it will take 50 hours of work and you value your time at 1000 rupees per hour, your base price starts at 50,000 rupees. From there, you can adjust based on the complexity, the value to the clients or any extra they need. Here is a pro tip. Make sure you include a buffer for revisions or unexpected work. If you think it's worth 50,000, then charge 60,000 to cover those just in case moments. Fixed fee pricings are great because clients knows exactly what they are paying and you know exactly what you are earning. But here's a golden rule. Don't underprice yourself. Now let's talk about hourly pricing, another way to charge for your work. This is where you set a rate for every hour you spend on the project. So how do you decide your hourly pricing rate? First, figure out how much you want to earn in a month. Let's say you want to earn 1 lakh rupees and you plan to work 100 hours in that month. Then divide 1 lakh by 100 and you will get 1000 rupees per hour. That's your base hourly rate. But here's the thing, your rates also depend on your skills and your experience level. If you are a beginner, your rates might be lower. But if you are doing this for years and deliver exceptional results, you can charge 2000 rupees, 5,000 rupees or even more per hour. Hourly pricing works best for the projects with the scope isn't fixed and things might change as you go. Here is a pro tip. Always track your hours. Use tools like Toggle or Clockify to show client exactly how much time you have spent. This builds trust and avoid any awkward "how did it take so long" questions. Alright, now let's dive into the value-based pricing. One of the most powerful way to charge for your work. Here, you don't charge based on hours or flat fees. Instead, you charge based on the value your work brings to your client. Let me explain. If your work directly helps your client to make more money, save time, or achieve a big goal, you price it based on that impact. And how do you calculate this? Start by understanding the client's goal. For example, if you are designing a sales page and the client expects it to generate 10 lakh rupees in revenue, your fee could be a percentage of that, let's say 1 lakh rupees. The focus is on the results, not the efforts or hours you put in. Price based on the value you bring to the table. Don't just think about the hours or efforts. Think about how your work solves problem, save time, or grow your client's business. And remember, your pricing reflects your confidence in your skills and experience. So don't undervalue yourself. Clients are happy to pay when they know they are getting a real value. But here is the thing, pricing is just one piece of the puzzle. To truly stand out and grow in your creative journey, you need to master the fundamentals that drives exceptional results. And in this video, I have covered 5 elements every graphic designer should know. So make sure you don't miss this video.